Hello guys, this is what happened to me today. The GoPro battery got swollen up, heated up, whatever you can say, and now it is stuck. I tried to pull it out and this thing got broken. Now what should I do? Well, I will be trying to get this bugger out, but first thing is I have to take the memory card out. Where is the memory card? Here we go. Okay, so here's the memory card. This is the memory card I'm using. This is GoPro 9. Well guys, if you are in a hot environment, like I'm from Pakistan, and I got all my batteries swollen. This one was fairly alright, and I used it today, and after using it for like 10 minutes, 15 minutes, it got shut down, and I opened up the latch to find it out. The battery was very hot, and now I can't get it out. It's still working. Yep, it is still working. But I have to take it out before it explodes. Power it off. Okay. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to get the battery out. Let me get this mobile on a holder so that you can see what I'm doing. Okay, you can see the battery is still stuck. Let me, bang it. Let's see if it comes out. No, it's still stuck. I've got a little bit of plier over here. No, there isn't any enough room for me to grab something, because I don't want to damage the body. Let's see. No. How am I supposed to get this thing out? No. Oh my God. Do I have anything else over here? I thought I don't have any tweezers. Anything here? I got a small pin somewhere. I can't find it. Oh, look at this. What's this? More and more things are coming off. The only thing that's not coming off or coming out is the battery. Got badly stuck, got overheated. No, I don't want to explode the battery, damage the battery and it got. No. This is moving. Yes, you can see It came out a little bit. Yep. Now try to pull it out. Oh no. No. Yes. No. Okay, let me try to bang it more. Yes, it came out. I don't know how well it is capturing on the video, but hopefully. Okay, still let me bang it on a hard surface now. Yes, it did make a difference. I hope my GoPro is not damaged. Okay, now push it from here, a little bit from here. Actually, this thing all I think it's melted inside. It's moving. Yes, it's coming out. Yep. Look at this. Well, guys, this is what the battery looks like now. It's swollen. I mean, yeah, you can see clearly. It's GoPro 9, and this thing would happen. This happened to me. Now I have to check out if this thing is still working. Let me try another battery. Try this one. Yeah, you can see this little flash when you insert the battery. It flashes after a few seconds. Now let's turn it on. Yep, no SD card, 18%. Okay, fine. Do I have the footages? Footages, I can't see the footages because there is no memory card in it. Anyway, guys, this thing is working. So if you get into trouble, like your batteries got swollen up, heated up, don't use it. I mean, and if you get stuck eventually, that's the only way to get it out. I mean, I don't want to open this thing up. You know, there are so many small pieces in it. I tried my best to get it out. I succeeded. The memory card is still intact. Well, I have to see the memory card, yeah. Well, I will check it out on my computer. Here it is. Is it reading the memory card or not? Disk ejected or disconnected, turn it off, SD card. What's happening? It's reading and oh. Let me reinsert the memory card. Look at that. Yep, memory card is there. DCIM, GoPro footages, beautiful. Yep, I got my footages over here. Well, guys, don't put your GoPro under extreme weather, hot weather. Well, I live in Pakistan. The weather over here is, the temperature over here is like 45 degrees centigrade at max these days. But Lesson hard learned. Never leave your batteries inside your GoPro, so this thing could happen. Hopefully you don't have to face this situation. See you next time.